what are you gonna be cooking for us?
We're gonna be making too much banana bread.
Banana bread.
Banana bread. And we'll set that going, and then we'll start mixing our dry ingredients. Some people use oil, some people use butter, some people use margarine. I don't know the exact details, but I know whenever you freeze them, the oils separate from the banana itself, and that is how you get the tastiest banana bread. So either looking like you don't want to eat them, or like you really don't want to eat them. The dulcet sounds of brown sugar as they meet mixing bowl and butter. Yeah, all the damn cat hair. Here, let's get you. Oh, that, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll just... Right? You won't hear that, right?
Okay. Hold on.
The dries.
You don't do...
Yeah.
No, but remember we have to have the shots, the important. Okay.
No, I know, but we're gonna be doing this again just because, like, we're getting scrambled for time. We don't know what we're saying. What we'll do is talk this over. Send me the video, and then talk it over. Okay. Dries in there. So now. So we're gonna start adding some bananas. The liquid.
Many, I'll only do 2
Oh, 1 or 2. Yeah, so these ones I find are more fun to peel than the other ones, but the other ones are tastier.
Yeah.
I'll do this. We're not using all of this. We won't need to see me struggle for like 5 minutes trying to get it. Banana stock. Okay, so we're going to be adding wet to the dry.
You're gonna be adding what?
We're going to be adding the wet to the dry.
That's right.
Or, you know, dry to the wet usually, but depending on the size of the pan. Hot. So, there we go. Then you just gently mix it together until it comes together. Don't need to overmix it.
And then we put them in the oven. That's it.
More or less, yeah.
More or less. Oh, now you're using 2 spatulas?
Well, so what I'm doing right now is I'm scraping down the sides. I'm checking to see if there's any little minefields of flour.
Okay.
So once I'm reasonably certain that all the flour's been combined, I'm gonna add the chocolate chips and the walnuts. And then just lightly mix that together, and then we're gonna pour after that. About 100 grams. There we go. There we go. And banana bread. Made. Done. Add left, so
Okay.
we're just gonna have to.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is the most food. PM, I think.
I'm not sure. You don't have to do that. Yeah, good enough. There we go. And now we can just cut that in front of whenever we put it into the oven. And that's. Oh, we're not going to use this. Yeah, they very much notice. And we're not going to try and trick them. Like, if they notice, they notice. But here we are. Done and dusted. Now, we wait an hour.
So you preheated the oven?
Yeah. So when I was doing that, I preheated the oven while I was mixing everything up. You could hear it beep at some point, maybe like 5 minutes ago.